Farther view now with the lights, you may have noticed. So this is lights off, lights on, off, on. These lights got some really good field of view on them. More importantly, this motor's got some good field of power. Yeah. I got some Rhapsody playing, some Luca Turilli. The fuck out of here, taxi. That's right, cut in front of me so you can stop, you degenerate trash. Anybody have windshield wipers I could get? I need a windshield wiper for my GoPro. I need some windshield wipers for my GoPro. I am not getting passed by a yellow cab. No. No. Or an Uber. Hey look, there's an Uber next to me. How long until he tries to park in the bike lane? Nope. Zoom past that bullshit. I really need windshield wipers. You can't see shit. Paul was telling me there's this thing that you can get that you spray on the lens so that the water kind of beads up rather than just blocking everything. Do any of you know what is that thing called? It's something that you put on your windshield or your glass or your lens cover cap. And the water, it's still there, but it either falls off or it beads up or something like that. I need something like that. Zero, I did not. I never did. I got a password to the backdoor Bluetooth app. I got a password and username that actually worked, but it still reads all zeros. And I also got for myself I tried to use that Phase Runner shit, but that doesn't work. You can't actually get around the motor controller, access control, user access level being 0. It's still going to be, you can't get around that. It's still going to be 0 even if you use that software. Fuck you, Uber, that's a bike lane, you cunt. Anybody who wants to know why bicyclists don't ride in the bike lane, there you go. Cab drivers.
Then you're just like,
I'm kind of being an asshole in the crosswalk right now, but oh wow. Rain-X, beads water and wicks it away. All right, cool, I'm gonna get that. Rain-X. Somebody remind me at the end of the stream to get some Rain-X. No, fuck you and your right turn signal. Fuck you. Fuck you. You are not parking in front of me. Suck my dick. I see your turn signal and I raise you a suck my dick. Somebody else beat me to it. Another Uber fucking beat me to it. You can't make this shit up. I cut in front of the first Uber that wanted to park in front of me. Another one shows up. I will enjoy your IPO crashing and burning. I still don't understand what all the hubbub is about Uber stock. They own no cars. They don't have employees. They have contractors. Their customers will leave if they charge $2 more. Their employees are already striking and protesting from what they're already getting paid. And they don't make a net profit. If they want to get autonomous vehicles, they have to take all the drivers they got now, multiply that by about 50 to 60,000 bucks to get a commercial grade autonomous vehicle for all of them. We're gonna set a good example. Even though there's nobody on the road, I'm not gonna use the wrong way entrance. Forgot. Brakes in the rain are not everything. Brakes in the rain are not everything they're caught up to be. And neither is the traction. More so the traction than the brakes. The brakes would have stopped the wheel. The question is whether or not the tire would have actually stuck to the road. I'm fairly sure the answer to that is no. All right, let's make this light. Looks like we got 4 seconds left. 3 seconds left. Oh, with 1 second to spare, baby. Let's make the rest of it. Buffet. Now I've learned my lesson in the rain as well about making sharp turns, so I always make sure I'm leaning over to the other side when I do that on the pedals. I got a nice scar on my arm to remind me not to do that. Figure I would have learned from making that mistake doing bike races when I was 13. I'm about to be an asshole. I'm about to be a big asshole. There is nobody there, so I'm gonna be a New Yorker on the red light. But I check. I look both ways. And unlike certain individuals in this neighborhood, if there's somebody showing up that way, I don't just play chicken with them. None of the lights are really lining up tonight. Strange. Green. Bam. Let's see if any of those cars behind me pass me. Who are we kidding? They're not. They can't. They lack the power. The power. Look at that van in front of me. I'm on a fucking bicycle I built myself. Oh God, that's not fair. You only passed me because I'm in front of this slow-ass van. Not fair. I got 2 minutes to do my exercise before the park closes. Fun looking place, ain't it? This is without light. That's with light.